Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to make money with Canva and Gumroad. So first things first, you must have your Gumroad account right here. Go to Gumroad, tap on start selling, and then here what you're going to do is you have to click product. You must build a good profile here. First things first, tap on product and you will see here a new product or create new product. You can see that also on your dashboard. Now you have to select, for example, if you want to publish or sell ebook, then you can tap this one right here. But before that, in order to create one using Canva, just go and create a Canva account. And then here, what you're going to do is you have to search for ebook. Let's just say you're going to sell ebook here on your Gumroad. So go to Canva and then look for ebook, and then you can start with creating any type of ebook right here. So basically, I will be creating an ebook about marketing. So you can search for any template right here. You just have to make sure that this is not under pro. If you see a crown icon, that means it's for pro version. So right now, I'm just using the basic version of ebook template, and all I have to do here is to edit the font style, the title, the caption, also the images. So the good thing about Canva is that everything is here. If you want to change the font, then you can go to the font up there, change the font. You can also change the color of the font. And aside from that, you can also change the color of the font. You can add effects, lift, outline, everything is up to you. Okay, so this is what it looks like. You can adjust the font also. And for the picture, you have to go to element and then search for something like marketing. Let's just say your ebook is all about marketing, and then you can just basically drag any picture right here, not under pro. So just drag it and then you just have to basically replace the picture. So there are tons of marketing pictures here on Canva. Aside from that, you just have to look for any keyword, and then there are tons of elements here that you can use for your ebook or for your template. All you have to do is to select that and look for the specific picture that you want to use. So that's it. You can now change, edit, replace everything here, information. And for the sake of this tutorial, I just make it easy. This is a sample of my ebook that I'm going to sell on my Gumroad. So tap on share and then look for PDF, download. Now what you're going to do here is you have to go back to Gumroad, add a title, tap on ebook. Okay, this is the result. And then what you're going to do here is add the price. Now, next is you have to continue by tapping on the next button, add a title right here, and add the description of your product. Okay, this is your URL. You can add a picture as the front cover. You can also add a thumbnail. And then after adding some information here about your ebook, and then you can now add some information like the price or anything here. You just have to fill in some information needed. And then once done, then of course you can now publish your ebook and share your URL to your customer or client or to your friends. And once they tap this one, it will take them directly to your Gumroad website, and all they have to do is to purchase this ebook product that you have. So basically, this is the easiest way on how to make money with Canva and Gumroad. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.